again. It's a rich thing.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. We are about to install a T10 V2 diffuser, which is already there. It's a bit damaged, that one, so I'm going to show you a detailed one. We're going to put a new one on, and we're going to show you how to install that, because I know a lot of people are having trouble installing that, and I'll show you why. So first things first, we're going to take the bumper off, of course, and we're also going to install Akasaka quadtips. That's going to look very nice on this. So here's the thing. Mud flaps, of course, you got those, so you just take them off. There should be 3 screws. You take them off, and one is right there beneath. I have a video on it on how I took the bumper off. Just take those 3 off. And what else? Yeah, and then do the same thing on the other side, and I'll show you from there. There's like 2-3 clips down there. We took it off from the bottom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out. It's on, right? Yeah, come here, follow me. Let me try to.
Yeah.
Oh, that side stuck like that.
Came off. Yeah, it came off.
Yeah, it's pushed out.
Oh.
And then like that, we're gonna put the wires for the reflectors. The old one we had connected to that too, so the third brake light. Alright, so let's put it to the side. This one's connected now, this is still connected. Alright, so when this is off, you would, like I said, take the bumpers off. You would take these 2 clips off from the bottom. But yeah, for your exhaust tips, your stock ones, you would have 1 bolt here, 1 bolt right here, and 1 right here. So we get this on temporary just to see how it would. We had it on temporarily to prevent the diffuser from being damaged. So we're gonna take these off, and we're gonna get the, where is it? Akasaka ones. Ooh, finally. I'll show them once we install them. I don't want to ruin the fun. He's working on the wiring right there. Alright, so we're going to install the tips now. Yo, let me see those tips, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, take them out. They're going right. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. This is nice. They're going right there, exactly where the stock tips would go. 1, 2, and 3. So since one of them is broken off, it's fine. We could do something about that, but 1 bolt right here, 1 right there. And oh, look, guys, this is really nice. We'll see how it looks once we install them. But then we're gonna go ahead and do the T10 diffuser. This one was damaged, so. Yeah, go ahead. Look at this. The tips are installed. Oof, that is sexy right there. Oh man. Yeah, we gotta so we're gonna go ahead and install the T10 V2 diffuser, right? I'll tell you guys precise cutting on that. Just giving you guys a hard time. Alright, so you get this 3rd brake light with it too. So
Tinted.
pretty nice, yeah. Smoked out. Take the bolt off in the back, and then just push it, where is it, right through there, and then secure it from the back. But make sure you run the wire right there.
First.
Yeah. There you go. Nice. So now we're gonna install the. Here, this is, you guys, when you're installing it, you guys are having an issue over here. I'm gonna show you what it is and why you're having that issue. But let's go over there. Installing it.
I don't think it's up. Yeah.
No, it's good. Yeah. Just push hold it. Like that. And moving forward. Yeah.
Through.
So, when you try to push it in there, but the clips and everything is out, Show them
So
that spot.
yeah,
Yeah, I think it's right there.
it hits this right about
Not even that. It hits.
under.
When you guys try to install it, it hits this section right here, like this area, from the back. And so what you do is you cut specifically that. Show them what we're gonna cut.
Cut right about.
From this is the clip right here. So we're gonna cut from like there, and we're gonna go all the way up to
Here, I think.
Yeah. So this is what you want to cut. You're like just cut this piece out, and then it's gonna fit in perfectly. With just gonna clip right into it. Do the same thing on the both sides. If you don't do that, it's gonna be hard to push it in, and it's just gonna pop right out from the edges, because that's gonna be touching this piece right here, and you don't want that. Yep. So I'll show you once he cuts it. Well, grab a sharp knife or something. You don't need a special tool. Whatever you got, whatever you can cut with. See, that works perfectly fine. Might take a minute, but you can do it. We don't want to pay the shop $200 for us to do it. Alright, so what works best is you use a heat gun and heat up the area. This slices it through like a cake, pretty much. It's so easy. Look at this. We cut this so quick, it took us like 30 seconds. Watch this. Do one side, just it'll go right into it. Yeah. Well, if you had it heated up a bit more,
I know, right?
it'd been easier. But we're not struggling with it though. See that? How nice it came out.
Yep.
But we'll let you guys
Whoa, shit.
wait. Look at that. Small piece came off. That way. See? Cut it off.
Yeah.
And then watch how easy it goes in now. Alright, check that out. All we do is line up the clips, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's all we gotta do.
And then let me show them that side real quick. That looks so aggressive. Look at that. We just line up here. It went easily just because we cut that spot. Now he's not giving us a hard time. Let's do it. Line up the clips. And hold it up.
There
It's
you go.
lined up. Yep. There you go. See. Oh yeah. And then we'll do the middle section. Just go by clips. This is nice. Ooh. Alright, so the third brake light, we connected it here. They're same wiring, so we had the bumper reflector light, so we connected it there. And same colors. So
Yeah, we had to cut and
yeah, slice up a little
slice up a little bit
Look
and
at
put it down a little bit.
bit. It works. Now you gotta put the bumper back on. Yay, that looks good. It's done, it's done. Hold on, let me see that. Look at that, guys. Hazard lights are on. It's done. Perfect fit. No issues at all. We got the cold start right there. What do you got? Thermal R&D, right? That's it. This side. That's aggressive. That's beautiful. Done. He's gonna rev it up, guys. This thermal ND. Go ahead, bro. Alright, that's good.
Fire?
Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. And definitely, thanks for supporting the channel. Appreciate it. I hope this video helped you guys out.